welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the Speaking Spanish with Miss Mason and Francois, I think is how you say it. This is volume 1. This is from Cherrydale Press. They have other languages too. They have French, Spanish, German, and Italian. And the way these are structured is you can also use these if you are learning English and you speak one of those languages. I got this for us to learn Spanish this year, but I don't think it's going to work for our family. But even though I'm not going to end up using this, I'm going to walk you through how to use the curriculum so you can make that decision for yourself. Now this book should take 2 to 3 years to get through, even though it is a small book. And these are called series. Each series is a selection of phrases you learn about these different topics. There's 42 of them in this book. And the way you're going to do this is each series should take you 1 to 2 weeks to do. This is a series. They're shorter and easier in the beginning. They are in the end. Each series has the same words in English and in Spanish. And in the front, she said it's not an exact translation, but it is the idea. So some words are not going to be quite, word for word. You'll notice there's 4 different columns. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So you're going to start by taking a few days to memorize this little paragraph. I take the book, I open the book, I close the book. Once you have this memorized, you will have your kids say each of these words while doing the action. And once they have that memorized, then they'll say the word, and then you'll say the Spanish word, and they'll repeat it 3 times while doing the action. And once that's memorized, you'll work on this. Now, you have variation ideas, so like I take the notebook, I open the notebook, wallet, purse, whatever. You can go on and on with that. And then we have responses down here. So you would say that to the student. In Spanish, you have different versions of the same word for different audiences. So if it's one student versus a group of students, you would say it differently. So they have that both here. In English, it's the same. When you can say these words from memory, then you can move on to these ones. She recommends you learn these one sentence at a time and then, put them together. She also recommends the older students copy down the series after they've learned it to help reinforce the memory. It's also very important to do the actions as you say the words, because that will help you remember the words. So you'll notice this goes on. It gets more difficult each time. And so the first one didn't have this under here, but now they have a recitation. They do have scriptures in here, which is really nice. And they have different things each time under here. So there's a lot of overlap for the activities, but they do vary throughout the book. Recitation. I'm trying to flip kind of slow so you can see what kind of phrases there are, but also not too slow that you're bored. You can also go to the settings on your YouTube screen and slow this down if you'd like. This one's quite long, so it'd probably take at least 2 weeks to learn all this. I'm guessing. I haven't tried this. I just don't think this will work very well for us. Just knowing my kids and myself. Oh, also, they do have an audio you can buy that will go along. We'll say all these series for you. So if I was going to use this, that's what I would do, because I don't know Spanish. I don't always know how to pronounce the words correctly. You also see grammar in here as well. Different things that they have to break it up. A little story. I guess it just feels kind of chunky and awkward to me. I mean, I don't talk like this, so it doesn't make sense to me to learn Spanish like that, because that's not how people talk. So that's Cherrydale Press. I just don't think it will work for us, but it might be perfect for you and what you're looking for. This is recommended over at the Ambleside Online website, one of several recommendations, because it is the Charlotte Mason way of learning language. And she did have her students learn and be fluent in 4 languages. So there's probably something to it, but I don't know if I'll use it or not. I probably won't, but I'll let you know if I do. All right. Please leave your favorite Spanish curriculum in the comments below. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.